Welcome to Wolfe Chevrolet. Today we're taking a closer look at some of the interior and exterior features in our 2018 Hyundai Ioniq Electric Plus. This Ioniq Electric Plus is featured in the limited trim and is a black paint finish. Under the hood we have our electric motor as well as a 4-cylinder engine. Inside the vehicle, 5-passenger seating on black leather seating surfaces. We have heated seats in the front of the vehicle. We also have a heated steering wheel, a GPS navigation system, as well as a powered sunroof. Outside the vehicle, we have our alloy rims, as well as our plug-in hybrid electric system. Moving into the front of our vehicle, we have a chrome finish door handle right next to a speaker, power mirrors, power locks, power windows, and our rear window lock. Storage throughout the rest of the door with a cup holder, as well as another one of our infinity speakers. Just inside the vehicle, to the left of the steering wheel, we have display cluster lighting, blind spot monitors, lane keep assist, our traction control. Below, gas cap release, our charge on auto, as well as our charge off. Down the side of the steering wheel, we have our telescopic steering column, as well as our paddle shifters. Power driver seat with power adjustable lumbar, finished in our black leather with our blue trim. Getting into the vehicle and looking above our steering wheel, you can see our display cluster. On either side, we have our power, eco, and charge, and the right-hand side, our controls for our current battery charge. Then we have our navigation on the right, as well as all of our lighting on the left with our gas level in the center. Down to the left-hand side of the steering wheel, we have voice recognition, our mode, volume, seek, as well as hands-free, paddle shifter behind with our lighting controls. Right-hand side, this is our controls for our information screen on the right-hand side. We also have our adaptive cruise settings on the right with our cancel, wiper controls behind, as well as our other paddle shifter. Push to start ignition just to the right of the steering wheel. In the middle, we have our infotainment system. We can see we have our GPS navigation. Our home button is our settings are across the bottom, and home is top left. And we also have our PHEV settings. You can see all of our locations for our charging stations as well, and we can see our departure times. And we have SiriusXM, gas stations, EV range. Across the bottom, we also have our all menus with voice commands, our my menu, and then our radio with FM, AM, as well as our HD radio settings. If we go into menu, we can see all of our info, as well as so you can turn on our sound settings and more. Below it, we have our volume as well as power, radio, media, favorite, seek, track, map, navigation, setup, and then our enter, tune, and file. The right hand, or below that, we have hazard lights right in the middle. We have our driver only AC, as well as our sync. Dual zone climate, we can see it on the screen with high. Fan controls on the left with our mode on the right. Front and rear defrost, AC, off, and auto across the bottom. Then below that, we have our USB or a 12-volt aux USB 12-volt plug on the passenger side, as well as a wireless charging pad. Heated driver seat, as well as our heated steering wheel and HEV mode. We also have a heated passenger seat, shift lock release if our shifter stops working, with a leather finish on our shifter. Storage, as well as a cup holder in the bottom. You can see our key fob here as well. We have locks and unlocks, our remote trunk release, as well as our alarm system. Center console is in the back. You can see it has some deep storage in the back with a 12-volt plug, as well as some storage down the side. Passenger seat also finished in that same black and blue leather and heated for the passenger. The bottom of the rear view mirror, we have our universal garage door opener with our 3 settings, as well as our auto dimming settings. Above that, we have a sunglass holder, dual dome lights with our dome lighting controls, and then our power sunroof. Lastly, we have our sunroof in the front of the vehicle. Now walking down the side of the vehicle, just before our front door we have our plug-in hybrid port. Below it we have our alloy rim with our Hyundai center cap, paint match mirrors with an integrated turn signal, paint match door handles with chrome accents as well as keyless entry, gas tank in the back of the vehicle. All the way around to the back we can see our Hyundai badging, Ioniq, as well as plug-in badging. Opening up the back of the vehicle, we have our release underneath our Hyundai logo, and that's right next to our backup camera. In the back of the vehicle, we can see we have some storage space, a cargo cover, second row folding 60/40 bench seating. In the back, we also have all of our accessories, including our plug-in devices, as well as our owner's manual. If we lift up underneath, we have some additional cargo storage space, as well as our cover underneath to lock in any of our storage. Moving into the back of the vehicle, we have a chrome finish door handle with our lock, heated outboard seats on either side, as well as our power window control, some storage throughout the door with a cup holder, as well as our speaker. Inside the vehicle, 2 vents in the back of our center console, a lace finished storage pocket in the back of the passenger seat. Second row seats are a 60/40 folding bench split finished in our black leather. In the center seat, 2 foldable cup holders. Then lastly, we can fold the outboard seats from the side by simply releasing and pulling forward. You can see we currently have our cargo strap, but the seat does fold flat for some additional storage. Thank you for joining me for this quick video walk around of the 2018 Hyundai Electric Ioniq Hybrid. If you enjoyed, please be sure to subscribe for more daily videos, and we hope to see you at Wolfe Chevrolet soon.